that's facts. Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took a red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real good. How's it supposed to feel?
Sponsored by Joe's Heating and Newcastle Recycling. That is Tim Mercer.
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. Never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's facts, taking big swings, put your hand to the bag. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took a red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real good. How's it supposed to feel?
Sponsored by Big Tech and the Roll Shop. Tyler Manning.
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget.
And we've got the green flag. Let's go. Count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
We got over 20 cars on the full size Size Stock Fall Brawl. lap. Let's go. For the black and yellow mirrors custom sound cars, but the red flag is out, drivers. Red flag. Red flag. Red flag.
Countdown from 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
Big hit on the red car, so side of the ring. The 684, we're going to go 0110 up on 2 wheels. Starting to have some bumper space up towards the sky. Some of these cars are starting to lose traction from the rear bodywork hanging on the tires. But the 55 comes in with a big hit on the 76, trying to break those two cars free. 65 coming in with a big hit on the 38. And here comes the 55 grabbing some momentum. Huge hit. We got 5 cars on the south side of the ring all piled up together as the 30 and the 76 are kind of playing amongst themselves. Red flag is out, drivers. Red flag. Red flag's out. Red flag, drivers. Red flag. 2, 1, let's go. '68 and the 69 having a meeting in the south side of the ring. Another meeting between the 68 and the 69. Here comes the 76 with a big shot in the back of that 68 car. Here comes the 38 with a head of steam. We got 6 cars still in motion by the looks of it. 6 cars still in motion. We still have the 684, the 55, the 69, the 383, the 76, and the 38 car. We got another red flag, red flag. We got another axle laying down on the track. That one almost self-cleared itself. We got the flag officials almost already back in place. Flags are going up. All right, Lindsay, let's get a countdown from 3, 2, 1, let's go. the 76 and the 55. Both those noses are going towards the sky. 38, it makes a shot at the 383. Trying to make sure both those cars are packed into the blocks and realize the 76 is still in motion. Now he does. .383 gets his car refired. He has to get unhooked from the 55 and make a competitive hit, get off the count. We also have the 69 and the 684 under the count. We got the 38 trying to break that left rear axle of the 76. The 383 is working fiercely trying to get himself free. Impact officials are telling that 38 to back up. Let that 76 get some room. Let's play demolition derby. Looks like we're down to 2 cars. And they're free, Lindsay. 76 starts to make a hit on the 38 to knock the count off. Both these cars are starting to fold high to the sky.
Yeah, just keep it in.
It's down to the 38 and the 76. Sounds like the 38 might have stalled out and the 76 is returning the favor. He was getting at the north side of the ring. Breaks his stick off. 76 is your winner.
Congratulations to Dale Arnett running his dad's roof sign.